How to make a presentation in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button with the plus icon. Next, select Presentation. Canva will display a wide variety of ready-made presentation templates. You can browse by category, style or theme, or simply choose a blank presentation if you want to start from scratch. Click on the template you like and it will open in the Canva editor. Here you can fully customize your presentation by adding or editing text, changing fonts, adjusting colors, and inserting your own images or graphics. On the left-hand panel, you will find elements, photos, text, chart, and videos that you want to use to enhance your slides. You can also duplicate, delete, or reorder slides to structure your presentation the way you want. To make your presentation more engaging, try adding animations and transitions to bring your content to life. Canva also lets you include audio or background music for a professional touch. Once you have finished designing, click on the Present button under Share to present directly from Canva. If you would like to save your work, you can also download your presentation as a PDF, PPTX, or video format depending on your needs. Now you know how to make a presentation in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.